Have you ever dreamed of island hopping in the Dodecanese? Picture a constellation of sun-kissed islands, scattered across the azure Aegean Sea. That's the Dodecanese for you. A collection of 15 larger isles and a sprinkle of 150 smaller ones, all cloaked in the Greek charm. Each island is a world of its own, boasting unique character and allure. From the medieval grandeur of Rhodes to the serene spirituality of Patmos, every island tells a different tale. Here, history is not confined to textbooks. It's etched on ancient ruins and whispered through cobblestone streets. The Dodecanese isn't just a group of islands. It's a mosaic of diverse cultures, rich histories, and breathtaking landscapes. And the beauty of it all? It's not just in the postcard perfect vistas, but in the warmth of its people, the rhythm of its music, and the magic of its sunsets. So, are you ready to explore these hidden gems of the Aegean Sea? Before embarking on your journey, it's crucial to plan ahead. The magic of island hopping in the Dodecanese is in the diversity of experiences each island offers. From the ancient ruins of Rhodes to the serene beaches of Patmos, there's a world waiting to be discovered. However, to truly enjoy this adventure, it's important to plan out your trip. First off, decide on the number of islands you wish to visit. There are 12 major islands in the Dodecanese, each with its own unique charm. Whether you want to explore a few or all of them, having a clear idea of your itinerary will help you manage your time more effectively. Next up is budgeting. The cost of your trip will largely depend on your choice of accommodation, dining, and activities. Are you looking for luxury resorts or cozy bed and breakfasts? Do you want to indulge in gourmet meals or try local street food? These decisions will shape your budget, so plan accordingly. Now let's talk about accommodations. The Dodecanese Islands are popular tourist destinations, so it's wise to book your stay in advance, especially during peak season. Whether you're after a quaint villa in Rhodes or a beachfront hotel in Patmos, early booking guarantees you a comfortable place to rest after a day of exploration. Speaking of peak season, the best time to visit the Dodecanese is usually between May and October. The weather is warm, the waters are crystal clear, and the islands are alive with vibrant local festivals. However, if you prefer a quieter vacation, consider visiting in the shoulder seasons of April and November. Lastly, don't forget to check the ferry schedules. The islands are well connected by ferry services, but their schedules can vary, especially during off-peak seasons. By staying informed, you can ensure a smooth and seamless journey from one island to another. Remember, a well-planned trip is a trip half enjoyed. So, take the time to plan your Dodecanese adventure and prepare yourself for an unforgettable journey through these Greek islands. Our island hopping journey begins in Rhodes, the largest of the Dodecanese islands. This island, steeped in history, is a treasure trove of attractions. The medieval Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is like stepping back in time with its cobblestone streets and ancient buildings. It's home to the Palace of the Grand Master, a testament to the island's rich history where each stone tells a story. Venturing outside the city, you'll find the Valley of Butterflies, a unique natural reserve. Here, thousands of delicate creatures blanket the trees, creating a sight you won't forget. Rhodes is a common starting point for many island hoppers, thanks to its international airport that connects to many major cities. It's also a hotspot for nightlife, offering a vibrant scene that lasts until the early hours. With its rich history and vibrant nightlife, Rhodes sets the tone for an exciting journey. As we sail away from Rhodes, our next stop is Kos, often referred to as the Island of Hippocrates. This enchanting island is a blend of ancient wonders and modern pleasures. Your first stop should be the ancient Agora, a sprawling archaeological site that takes you back to the island's rich past. Here you will find remnants of temples, houses, and public buildings, each telling a story of the island's historical significance. Next, we head to the Tree of Hippocrates, a landmark of immense historical value. It is under this tree that Hippocrates, the father of medicine, is said to have taught his pupils. Standing in the shade of this ancient tree, you can almost feel the wisdom of centuries past seeping into you. But it's not all history in Kos. The island is blessed with stunning beaches and a vibrant nightlife that attracts travelers from around the world. Whether you're seeking a peaceful respite by the sea or a lively evening of music and dance, Kos has it all. From its historical sites to its lively beaches, Kos offers a blend of experiences that cater to every taste. It's a testament to the diverse charm of the Dodecanese Islands, showing that no matter where you go, there's a new adventure waiting. As we leave the shores of Kos, we carry with us memories of an island that beautifully marries the past with the present. setting the stage for the next chapter of our journey. As we leave the shores of Kos, our next destination is a sight to behold, an island that seems to have sprung from a postcard. Welcome to Symi. The island's most striking feature is its amphitheater of stacked neoclassical houses, painted in a palette of pastel hues. This vibrant display of color, coupled with the azure backdrop of the Aegean Sea, creates a scene that's almost too picturesque to be real. But Symi is not just about aesthetic appeal. The island is also home to the monastery of the Archangel Michael Panormitis, a place of pilgrimage for the Orthodox Greeks. The monastery houses a fascinating museum showcasing religious art and artifacts that trace the island's spiritual history. After immersing yourself in Symi's cultural heritage, it's time to unwind by the sea. The island is blessed with crystal-clear waters and secluded beaches that beckon you to relax and soak in the serene beauty. Whether you're lounging on the sand or taking a refreshing dip in the sea, the beaches of Symi offer a tranquil retreat from the world. As we set sail from Symi, we carry with us the memory of its picturesque architecture, tranquil beaches, and rich cultural heritage. Symi's charm lies in these elements, making it a jewel in the crown of the Dodecanese Islands. Now that you've taken in the beauty of Rhodes, it's time to set sail for the lesser-known islands. Journeying through the Dodecanese is made simple with the reliable ferry system. It's the lifeline of these Greek islands, connecting the dots in this archipelago and making it accessible for adventurers like us. Now, to purchase tickets, you have a couple of options. You can buy them in person at the port, or for added convenience, you can book them online. Remember, it's always a good idea to secure your tickets in advance, especially during the peak summer months when the routes are busiest. Now, let's make your journey comfortable. A tip from seasoned island hoppers: pack some snacks and drinks, as the ferry rides can be lengthy, and of course don't forget your camera to capture the breathtaking views from the deck. As we sail away from Rhodes, our first stop is the picturesque island of Symi. This island is a visual treat with the most colorful harbor in Greece, where pastel houses cascade down the hillside to the sea. Next, we set course for Tylos. This tiny island is a paradise for nature lovers, boasting a rich biodiversity and hosting rare bird species. Tylos is a testament to the fact that size doesn't always matter when it comes to the treasures an island can hold. Our journey continues to Leros. Here, the island's unique feature is its active volcano. The lunar landscapes of the volcano's caldera offer an otherworldly experience, reminding us of the raw power of nature. Finally, we reach Kos, an island with a rich history. It's the birthplace of Hippocrates, the father of medicine, and houses an ancient tree under which he supposedly taught his pupils. As you hop from one island to the other, immerse yourself in the unique charm of each destination. With every island, you'll discover a new facet of the Dodecanese, creating a mosaic of experiences that make this journey truly unforgettable. Our journey ends in the serene island of Patmos, known as the Jerusalem of the Aegean. This idyllic island holds a remarkable spiritual significance, serving as a sanctuary for the soul. It is home to the monastery of St. John, a silent witness to centuries of devotion standing majestic atop the island's highest point. This sacred site is a haven of tranquility, whispering tales of St. John's visions that inspired the Book of Revelation. Not far from the monastery, you'll find the Cave of the Apocalypse, where it's believed St. John received his divine revelations. The cave's mystic aura leaves visitors in awe, echoing the profound spirituality of this island. But Patmos is not just about spiritual quests. Its tranquil beaches, caressed by the gentle Aegean waves, invite you to relax and soak in the serene ambiance. Quaint villages, with their narrow cobblestone alleys and traditional stone houses, add to the island's charm. Patmos, with its spiritual aura and tranquil setting, provides a fitting end to our island-hopping journey. Our voyage continues as we sail to Kalymnos, often referred to as the Island of the Sponge Divers. This island's identity is deeply intertwined with its rich history of sponge diving, a perilous yet rewarding tradition that has been passed down through generations. Here, the sea isn't just a beautiful backdrop but a source of livelihood and a symbol of bravery and resilience. To delve deeper into this fascinating aspect of Kalymnos, a visit to the Sponge Diving Museum is a must. This museum is a treasure trove of information, offering insights into the dangerous profession of sponge diving and showcasing a variety of sponge species, diving equipment and photographs. But Kalymnos isn't just about its unique sponge diving heritage. The island's rugged landscapes and crystal-clear waters make it a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. Whether it's rock climbing on the island's dramatic cliffs or diving into its clear blue waters, Kalymnos offers an array of activities that are sure to get your adrenaline pumping. As we prepare to leave Kalymnos, we carry with us the spirit of its brave sponge divers and the memory of its stunning landscapes. This island, with its unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty, is a testament to the diverse experiences that the Dodecanese has to offer. Now that you have your itinerary, let's make sure you're packing right for your Dodecanese adventure. Packing can often feel like a game of Tetris, trying to fit all your essentials into a suitcase. But fear not, let's go over some must-have items that should make their way into your travel bag. Firstly, the sun in the Dodecanese can be intense, so don't forget to pack your sunscreen. A broad-spectrum sunscreen with a high SPF will protect your skin from the strong Greek sun, ensuring you enjoy your trip without the discomfort of sunburn. On the topic of protection, remember to pack a good sun hat and a pair of sunglasses. The hat will keep your head cool, and the sunglasses will protect your eyes from harmful UV rays. Plus, they make for great accessories in your holiday snaps. Next, let's talk about footwear. Comfortable shoes are a must. You'll be doing a lot of walking and exploring, so make sure you're equipped with shoes that won't give you blisters or sore feet. Speaking of exploring, you'll want to capture all those beautiful moments, right? So, a good camera should be on your packing list. Whether you're a professional photographer with a DSLR or someone who prefers snapping away on your smartphone, make sure you have enough memory space and a portable charger for those long days out. Now, on to the less glamorous but equally important items. Don't forget your necessary travel documents such as your passport, driver's license, and any necessary visas. It's also a good idea to keep digital backups of these documents. You never know when you might need them. Last, but not least, pack a sense of adventure. There's so much to see and do in the Dodecanese, from exploring ancient ruins to lounging on beautiful beaches and tasting delicious Greek cuisine. With these tips in mind, you're now ready to embark on your very own Dodecanese island hopping adventure. Happy travels!